I'm Damon. This is my Amazon Prime smoothie series. Matcha DNA. So the link is below the video directly to. This is not only the best quality. I mean, maybe they call things ceremonial grade these days, which who knows what that means. But this is by far the cheapest, and I use a lot of it, so I like this 10-ounce bulk sort of package. Very cost effective. Although it does make it hard to go get a matcha latte anywhere because of the cost of this. Like, I think about, a $6 matcha latte when I could just go home and have like a lot of those out of this for a lot less than that. So, but really delicious. Just a little sprinkle in my smoothie. It's the perfect thing in the morning, or if you're like cooking and making. A lot of people make, I don't know, anything from ice cream to sort of ribbons through brownies, through cookies and muffins and things. It really lends well to all kinds of food items. So it's organic, sustainably grown from China. I'm not sure how they regulate that, but it does taste very clean, and I'm usually sensitive to if things have been adulterated in unfavorable ways. It's the ORAC antioxidant value is off the charts compared to things that we normally think of as having antioxidants. And of course, in the morning it gets you going. Looks like it comes through Delaware, and it's just 100% green tea. There's no other junk in there. The real deal. They say it's slightly different than the Japanese counterpart. Deep color, thick savory taste and texture. However, the USDA organic Chinese matcha DNA is smoother and has a rich, smooth, fresh taste unlike any other. That's true. I really do enjoy this, and I really do recommend it. So check out the links, check out other people's reviews on Amazon, and have a wonderful smoothie morning.